This channel delivers daily gun reviews with a Glock and Beretta focus on weekdays and vintage, or custom pistols on weekends. Today the Glock 19 Gen 5 takes center stage with 9x19 caliber, 15-round mag, and about 0.7 to 0.8 kg empty weight. A concise history traces its evolution from early polymer frames to safer triggers, ergonomic grips, and reliable maintenance. Usage analyzes handling in quick draws, aiming accuracy, and practical maintenance tips like cleaning slides and inspecting wear. For visuals, plan animated internals, royalty-free demo clips, and close-ups of grip texture as a calm voice narrates key specs.